Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to change the time format on your iPhone. So you can see here that my time format is in a 24 hours time. So I will like to change them into 12 hours only. To do that, open your setting application. And right after that, scrolling down until you find general, and you just need to click them. Whenever you open the general, now you just need to scrolling down again until you find the date and time. Click them. And now if you want to make the 24 hours time become 12 hours time only, go turn off this button. And you'll see now the time formats on my phone is already changed from 24-hour time into 12 hours time only. And after you're done, you just need to go back. So that is the way how to change the time formats on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel. I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.